All right, welcome to Universal Learning Solution. I am Ogurinde Tunde Abdogani. We are here in Oyo State, Isenye. And here I have one of my participants with me here. He's going to tell us his experience about Phonics and how they have been teaching reading and writing before today. All right, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Happy to meet you, sir.
Okay, it's nice to meet you too. Please, what's your name?
My name is Adetola Olusegun Felix from Iteswaju Local Government Area of Oyo State.
All right, it's nice to meet you one more time.
Thank you, sir.
Please, can you tell us the meaning of Phonics?
Phonics means teaching in a funny ways.
Okay. Okay, that's your understanding about Phonics. Yes. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that Phonics is a fun way of teaching the kids how to read and write faster. All right. Okay. So can you tell us one or two things you learned in the training?
Okay. I learned that formally before I come from this training, so I am familiar with the alphabet by names.
Okay.
So, but during this training, we were being taught that each letter has their own sound, and we have to make use of it by their sound, not by their names. Okay. So, it helps us to speak English very well, speak it correctly, like the British and the American do so.
Oh, all right, okay. Now, how do you think this Phonics is going to help in your classroom? How do you think? What are the challenges you're having before in the classroom when you are teaching reading? And what have you found in Phonics as the solution to it?
We have a lot of challenges before, because this English language is not our own mother tongue. It's not our language. So we have been teaching the pupils the way that our former teachers, the way they taught us in the school. But now we get to realize that a lot of the spellings was mispronounced. Okay. So, and a lot of challenges arise from the mispronunciation of the letters. So, with the help of this Phonics, I think many of the problems will be solved.
Okay. Okay. If I should give you a word to pronounce for me, according to what you've learned during the class, will you be able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please, can you pronounce this word? Fuel.
Few.
Again. Again?
Few.
Few. All right, that's correct. So before today's class, did you know it's pronounced few before?
No, I used to pronounce it fue.
Fue, but
today, few.
Okay, when you get to the classroom, so if your students are saying fue, what will you say?
I will correct them that it's few.
All right, thank you very much. I believe you enjoy your class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, I am Ogurinde Tunde, speaking from Universal Learning Solution. Thanks for watching. I am Phonics.